Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Domo for AI dashboard automation, full guide step by step clearly. Locate the sign up or get started button on the home page. Click on the button to be directed to the registration page. Fill out the registration form with your details, including your name, email address, and company information. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements indicated. After completing the form, submit your information. Check your email for a confirmation message from Domo. Open the confirmation email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Domo website. Log in using your new credentials. After logging in, navigate to the subscription section. Select the appropriate plan that suits your needs, especially focusing on AI dashboard automation features. Review the details of the plan to ensure it includes the functionalities you require. Proceed to enter your payment information as required. Confirm your payment and subscription details. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a subscription confirmation email. Log back into Domo to explore AI dashboard automation features available under your subscription. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface and available tools. If necessary, access the Domo learning resources for tutorials on using AI features effectively. Start creating and customizing your dashboards according to your business needs. Don't hesitate to explore various integrations that can enhance your data analytics. Utilize Domo's support channels if you have any questions or need further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.